75 years ago, a heroic generation of men and women came together to take the course of Jamaica's history into their hands and to mold a nation out of colonial dust. They were inspired by the many persons and many events. Among those were Marcus Mosiah Garvey's insistence that the peoples of African descent were to unite and think of themselves as a mighty race. The Harlem Renaissance in New York and the message of Africans in the diaspora to seek their identity and civil rights. The League of Nations that adopted the call for the right of self-determination for all peoples. The historic struggles of the Jamaican people during and after slavery for freedom, voting rights, representational rights, workers' rights, land rights, and real emancipation. The anguish that burnt in the stomachs of our ancestors from the painful history which they had collectively endured, the hopes and desires that beat in their hearts to create a united people in a nation family. That generation of 38 heard the call and joined the struggle. Norman Washington Manley emerged from among men and women who themselves were giants. He was a timeless visionary, a tireless organizer, a brilliant advocate, and a courageous and moral campaigner. Under his leadership and tutelage, that pioneering generation formed a party. They formed the People's National Party.